Let's talk about London. It is one of the most visited cities in the world. London has a history of over 2,000 years. It has many famous historical buildings. Big Ben is a famous clock tower. It stands next to the Houses of Parliament. Buckingham Palace is the home of the royal family. You can watch the changing of the guard outside. The Tower of London is a very old castle. It is now a popular attraction. The London Eye is a large observation wheel. From the top, you can see the whole city. London has many world-class museums. The British Museum and the Natural History Museum are free. Red double-decker buses and black taxis are symbols of London. The London Underground is called the Tube. It is one of the world's oldest metro systems. British food includes fish and chips, meat pies, and a full English breakfast. London is a very multicultural city. People from all over the world live and work there. Each area of London has its own character, from busy markets to quiet parks. The city is always changing. London's weather is famously changeable. It can be sunny in the morning and rainy by the afternoon. London is a city of history, culture, and energy. There is always something new to see and do.